Welcome to a journey through the world of fashion with beige as our guide, where we'll unlock the potential of combining it with every color. First, let's explore the classic combination of black and beige. It's the epitome of sophistication. Envision a black blazer over a beige button-up shirt for a sharp, professional look. Or think of beige chinos with a black turtleneck for an effortlessly cool vibe. A beige dress with black accessories like a belt or shoes can transform a simple outfit into one that speaks volumes of elegance. Now, let's incorporate red into our beige palette. Picture a beige trench accentuated by a vibrant red scarf. This isn't just contrast, it's a dialogue between colors. Beige trousers with a red blouse offer a dynamic look that shifts effortlessly from day to evening. Or elevate a simple beige dress with red heels and a clutch for a bold statement. Blue brings tranquility when paired with beige. A light blue sweater over a beige linen shirt for casual days, or navy blue trousers with a beige blazer for office wear. A beige midi skirt with a baby blue top evokes the calm of a beach day, even in the city. When we introduce yellow, we bring in the essence of sunshine. A mustard yellow cardigan over a beige t-shirt can brighten up any Monday. Beige chinos with a yellow shirt for a look that's both professional and cheerful. Or a pastel yellow dress accented with beige for a soft yet vibrant statement. Green with beige feels like a walk through the forest. An olive green blazer with a beige turtleneck, beige shorts with a forest green top for casual elegance, or a mint green skirt with a beige sweater for a fresh springtime feel. And don't forget about purple, which adds a touch of luxury. A lavender blazer with beige trousers for a regal touch, a plum-colored dress with beige details for evening glamour, or a simple lilac scarf to elevate a beige coat for daily wear. Lastly, there's the pristine white. White paired with beige exudes purity and simplicity. Imagine a crisp white shirt with a beige blazer for a look that's both fresh and sophisticated. Or beige culottes with a white crop top for a modern minimalist vibe. A white sweater over a beige skirt can create a serene, elegant outfit perfect for any occasion. Thanks for diving into the world of beige with us. Keep styling, keep shining, and don't forget to enjoy every color along the way.